Hi guys, welcome back to another video of the channel. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. And if you have already subscribed to my channel, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's get started. Actually, today's video is regarding another dining hall at UCLA, which is none other than Rendezvous. Actually, I have made a couple of videos regarding my breakfast and my lunch, but I haven't made any video regarding my dinner. So today's video will be regarding my dinner, and I know the light is very bad, but I can't do anything about it because we do dinner at night, and at night the light is like this, so I can't do anything about that. I mean, I could have done something regarding this, but I'm so sorry, so you have to bear with me. So guys, I'm heading to Rendezvous. Actually, this is the dorm building. I don't know which building is it, but I assume that it is Reber building, and over there is a Sunset Village. Actually, we are in the residential area. It's a residential area at UCLA, so you can see. And over there, I think so it is Feast. Feast is in other hall of UCLA. I haven't been there, but whenever I'll go, guys, we'll definitely make a video regarding that. So you can see the scenes. Isn't the campus beautiful, guys? Do leave it in comments, guys. Do leave comments that how you find this campus. I feel like, according to me, this is one of the best campuses of UCs and one of the best place in LA. So there you go, guys. That's our place where we have to go. That's the place, and that's none other than Rendezvous, guys. And that is Rendezvous. Guys, you can see like the people over here, they're very nice, and I mean the environment in UCLA, the people are very nice, but you have to work hard to make your mark at UCLA. Oh my goodness, guys, this is the line. This is the line. No, this is the line. Oh, okay. So I thought the line is way back, but no, I was wrong. The line is pretty manageable, but I assume that it will take me probably a good half an hour or like 40 minutes. So guys, I'm going to stand in line, and that is where the Rendezvous is. You can see this is Rendezvous, and this is the line at Rendezvous. And here I don't know what's the name of this building, but I mean, once you come here, like, you guys can assume yourself, and hopefully you guys will be coming here at UCLA. So guys, these are the scene from the inside of Rendezvous. Oh, hi. Hi Noor, how are you?
हेलो
ठीक हो? तुमने तो हेडरिक जाना था ना?
यार बहुत लंबी लाइन है वहाँ
Oh my goodness, guys! I called Noor, and actually she was going to go to Hedrick, but she came here. Like, actually she went to Hedrick, but वहाँ पे line बहुत लंबी थी. That's why she came here. और I asked her, मैंने इसको कहा था कि that you should come here at Rendezvous because I am eating Rendezvous from last month, and I asked her that she should come, but she was like, no, I don't want to come because I am eating this from last like 10 days. And look, she's again here. So guys, like, she went to Hedrick. Remember, I have already made a video regarding Hedrick. So I'll put that link in the description, and if you haven't seen it, go ahead and watch it. If you're watching this video from the beginning, you guys might know that I have already given you the introduction of food trucks, and do suggest her, should she eat from Rendezvous or should she go to food trucks. I mean, do leave it in comments because she's confused, so probably your comments will help her. And guys, I have the spectaculars in my spectacles. Sorry guys, sorry, my bad. Spectacles. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. So I have spectacles. Please do let me know how I'm looking in these. I assume I am not looking good, but do let me know. Guys, I just ordered chicken burrito, and basically it's like by swipe. Like, you can swipe and get a food over here. Like, so I just got food, and I swiped and got a burrito for it. Actually, it's a meal with burrito, so now I'll be standing in line, and I'm also standing in line from last like an hour. No, from last No, from last 10 minutes I think so. You can see this is how long the line is. It is going from here to here, all that thing. So that's the line. So guys, this is the scene, and Rendezvous is probably, I feel like, the second best place. And I mean, getting food from Rendezvous saves a lot of time, because all the other food places are like buffet, but at Rendezvous you get a chance to order your food, and you get a chance to go at the counter and make your own burrito and go back to your dorm. So I feel like it's time saving. That's why like I eat Rendezvous a lot. So guys, here you go. Hi. What's your name? Oh, Samantha? Mithya. Hey Mithya. Actually guys, today is Halloween. So happy Halloween you guys. And I have Mithya with me. You wanna come in video?
Hello.
Hi guys. So guys, like these are my friends. Like we just became friends. So what's your name?
Megan.
Megan. So Megan and Mithya. So guys, like happy Halloween and happy Halloween. Stay safe, stay blessed, and stay tuned with the video. And go ahead and punch the subscribe button, and do like and share the channel, guys. I have finally made it, and this is how it is. And now they are going to make a chicken burrito for me. And you can see like some delicious foods out here. A chicken burrito, please. Yes, please. So now we'll be having an option. I mean, you guys know, so I don't have to explain that thing. So I mean, you're so smart. And if you guys are very smart, so don't forget to subscribe the channel, guys. It's my third time I'm saying, don't forget, don't forget, don't forget. This is the scene. Rice, Mexican rice, please, and a little bit of these rice, a little bit. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I don't want beans, no beans. Actually, I'm not very big fan of beans, so I really don't like beans. But I'm fine with rice, so.
All of it.
Yeah, a little bit of lettuce, a little bit. Thank you so much.
And then the refried beans.
Yeah.
Guys, that's there. There's my burrito, guys. There's my burrito. It's in making, and there's my burrito, guys. I can't wait. I've been waiting for like. Can I have both of these?
Cheese and sour.
A little bit of this. A little bit. A little bit. Yeah. And this one? Yeah. And both of these?
And can I get the one in the... Yeah, that one. Yeah. Yes, please.
Guys, the burrito out here is like really bomb. It's really very nice.
This and cheese.
And now I'm just going to be done. I'm going to be done. I've been waiting for like the last 50 minutes, guys, and I'm done.
And then cheese.
Can I have a chipotle sauce? Yes, please. And that sauce as well? That thing? Yes, please. And I am done, guys. That's my burrito. That's in making, and that's done. I have finally made it. I finally got it, guys. So now I'm going to go and sit and eat it. Actually, I'm planning to get some sauces. So excuse me. Sorry. So now I'm planning to get some sauce and get some soda, and along with water. The sauces, different sauces. So you can see here. Actually, I honestly don't know the name of these sauces, but the ones I like is that one, cascabel pepper and thyme salsa, and I really like that thing as well, but I don't know the names of these things, unfortunately. But these are really very cool. I'll be eating them with my chips and with the burrito. So here I am, guys, and I have got my food. Here's my food. Here are the sauces. Here is the soda, and here's everything. So I'm done, and this is my dinner. After this, I'm going to go and study a little bit of biology, life sciences class. So so take care, have fun, and enjoy your life. See you till the next time, and go ahead and push the subscribe button, and see ya, and take care.